Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Google Photos for export. Sign in and verify two-step verification so exports run smoothly. Next, open Google Takeout, pick only Google Photos and choose specific albums if you want to limit items. For file format, select ZIP for compatibility and set export frequency to 1 time, then request export. Once done, Google will prepare the archive and email a download link. Download the archive to a local folder and unzip it so your image and metadata files are ready for upload. Now organize the extracted photos into clean folders named by date or album. This preserves order and avoids duplicates when uploading to OneDrive. Install the OneDrive desktop client and sign into the Microsoft account you want to sync to. Make sure Files on Demand is enabled to manage space. Then point OneDrive to a designated local sync folder, move your prepared photo folders into that folder, and let OneDrive index them. Make sure to pause any other heavy syncs so the upload uses full bandwidth and finishes reliably. Finish by allowing the OneDrive client to upload everything. Use the client or web UI to watch progress until all files show up to date. Verify randomly selected photos and any metadata you retain to ensure integrity. Sometimes metadata is in sidecar files, so make sure they moved as well. If you hit errors or duplicate items, pause sync, check file names for invalid characters, and then retry uploading problem folders. A common fix is re-exporting small batches via takeout and uploading those until the library looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.